does somebody need this many coats in all similar colors? They don't. I made a huge mistake when I did this purchase, and let's talk about it. The reason I say I made a mistake is not necessarily in the sense of like, I don't think these are adorable. I don't think these are nice. Like this one's from Free People. It's one of my favorites. It is just so cute. I'm gonna go put some lipstick on. There we go. Okay. Like, yeah, I love this. It's like a biker jacket meets a teddy bear. It is adorable. But the amount of jackets that I purchased that are in this color family and very similar or kind of like teddy material, I understand it and I want to talk about it. Sometimes the way the human mind works is kind of funny because we gravitate toward a specific thing and we really tend to focus on that thing so much. And a lot of the times when you're shopping at one point, you're really into something in particular. So clearly at the time when I shopped for these jackets, I was really into this color scheme, the teddy material, and kind of like big jackets. Not to mention the style and the trends. You'll notice that when you're going shopping, there's always that trend or that thing that like kind of hits you. It's kind of more your vibe in that moment. And then if you wait a month, you're going to be on to something completely different. And I've learned that mistake in the past when I've gravitated toward one particular style so heavily, and I do a huge shopping spree and use up all my budget on literally a bunch of jackets when I could have been wiser. So to prevent this from happening, I've created a checklist for myself. So I've really done this by looking at my wardrobe and also looking at what goes into a capsule wardrobe, what goes into a basics wardrobe, what are the necessities in a wardrobe so that you can really create and curate outfits. So I took it upon myself to do this for myself because it was really going to help the future of my shopping. And I did this by creating, I call it the Dream Wardrobe Checklist. I actually created it and I have it available for download for free for you guys if you guys are interested. It has a section on it where you can add items that you think are missing. Go download it. It's absolutely free and create the dream wardrobe with me, because my goal really moving forward with my wardrobe is to really cultivate items and buy items that are nice quality, luxurious, that are going to be in my wardrobe for many, many years, and kind of learn from my mistakes that I've committed in the past and not spend all my money on a bunch of items that are very, very similar, and instead maybe find one item that is going to last in my wardrobe for 10 years and it's going to be an amazing item, and it's going to make me feel more luxurious, it's going to actually keep me warm, and it's going to be a nice fabric. Ultimately, it's going to be better for your wardrobe and also for the world. Another one that I have. I think this one's cool too. But I gravitated not really to wearing this one this year. So that's another thing that I'm really taking note. I'm actually not getting rid of anything from my closet, but I am taking note of the things that I ended up not wearing this year and the things that I ended up wearing this year. And how I keep note of that, I'm not really sure. It's kind of a mental note for now, but honestly, I should keep a note so that later this year, if winter passes again and I end up not wearing some of these items, that's probably a red flag that I should probably think about putting some of these into a sell, putting on my Depop and selling these so they go to a home where they're actually getting used. That's how I know that these items don't have a huge connection to me. And if they were more of like a luxurious item, like an acne jacket, you know what I mean? I would feel like that item is really worthy of staying in my closet, and I wouldn't want to necessarily move it so quickly. So I'm really moving into a place where I want to be able to have items that are really, really nice. I don't want to have like a ton of polyester in my wardrobe. I don't want to get a bunch of trendy items wanting to invest in nice, luxurious pieces. And that's why I created the checklist, because the checklist is really going to help me see what is even missing from my wardrobe. I ended up noticing that I had so many of these jackets, but I was missing the classic pieces. I didn't have a black jacket that I could wear. That were missing from my wardrobe, and I would have preferred to buy one jacket, a different color of a jacket, instead of all in the same color family. Not to say I'm not grateful to have these items. I think they are fantastic. Like this one's from Urban Outfitters. I still think that this is so, so cute. I didn't wear it this winter, but I can definitely see myself gravitating toward this again and at a later time. And I'm so grateful to have all of these items. You know what I mean? I just wish I would have done it smarter. And I think that that's what I'm moving forward to. Like, I'm really learning from the past. I'm really learning from the way that I am as a person. I really turn to gravitate toward specific things where kind of like the repeat of outfits. So I know myself. I know that if I'm going to have a really nice item that is that specific, in the specific colors that I need them to, I'm going to end up wearing them a lot. And they're going to really transform the way that I see my closet. And it's going to feel more luxurious. It's going to be better. Another cool thing that I did with my checklist, before I forget to tell you guys about it, while I wear this H&M coat that I literally was not able to wear this year, but I still think it's really nice. So yeah, basically I added to the checklist my manifestation ritual. I've been doing this for a long time. I have worked on manifesting and really learned from a lot of mistakes that I had been doing in the past. And so far, I have manifested everything that I could ever want. And so I decided to write it out and have it available as part of the dream wardrobe checklist. And the reason I added it together is because I really felt like, you know, if you're manifesting the wardrobe of your dreams like I am, why not use the manifestation ritual to make that come true? In the same form, I want you guys to know that you can use it for anything that you're trying to manifest. You don't just have to use it, obviously, to manifest the wardrobe of your dreams, but you can use it to manifest whatever it is that you're trying to bring into your life. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm going to have it linked below. It's going to be right there. You're going to see it. Go ahead, get over there and check it out. Let me know what you guys think about these jackets. I still like them, but why did I get so many at once? I don't even get it. I hope you guys like this video. It's a little bit different than what I normally do. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. Thanks so much for on my channel, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you next time.